This is your last. You've got one more year to go, but talk about this year and then your thoughts on your last year coming up.
This year was really good. I accomplished a lot of my goals that I set out to achieve in the beginning of the year. Cross country wasn't great, but track, I definitely, indoor, I got the record that I was really hoping for. Outdoor, I was running consistent, 5 flat, right around that time for the mile, so it shows what I can do. You just got to keep working at it, so you can only get better. The 800 I improved a little bit, and the 2 mile I had a 14-second PR at one of the meets that I went to, so I know I'm still improving in that area too, so I'm excited.
Has it hit you yet that you have just one more year left? I mean, it's been, talk about, how many titles have you won, and what are your goals for your final year?
A couple weeks ago, I just got my 37th state title with my 4x4 team, and that night was really emotional. It's just kind of, I have really mixed feelings about it because I've been running in high school for about 7 years, even whenever I wasn't in high school, so I'm definitely ready for a change, but at the same time, most of my friends are from high school. Granted, a lot of them have graduated too, but it's going to be really an emotional year as far as friends and family too.